Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Realme Narzo 50. So remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly you need to take the cover off if you have, then take the brush in your hand. Afterwards insert the one part of the brush into the connector and gently try to pry the dirt out. So, cool, that's all, that's it. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye! See you later!